Belly, the one-stop shop for all essentials like snacks, beverages, grocery items, packaged food, cosmetics, stationery, fresh and organic fruits and vegetables, meat, household goods, toiletries, and many more. Leave your kids at the playpen while you shop for all your household needs, all at a reasonable rate. Hurry, visit Jolly Belly Supermarket for ready discounts and offers. Step into the store and leave happy. For details, contact Jolly Belly below Mikado Restaurant, Police Bazaar at 7005 668657 and 98630 60336. A meeting of the All India Congress Committee organized by the General Secretary Organization in charge, Venugopal, was held in New Delhi today to evaluate the INC's performance in the recent by-elections in Meghalaya. Attendees included the AICC in charge of Meghalaya, Manish Chatrat, MPCC President Vincent H. Pala, CLP leader Dr. Mukul Sangma, Working Presidents Dr. M. Ampreen Lingdo, Martin Sangma and James Lingdo, and Secretary AICC in charge Manipur, Charles Pangrop. A press release informed that the meeting unanimously resolved to strengthen the party so as to effectively overcome all challenges and hurdles faced by the party in the run for the forthcoming state assembly elections of 2023. The meeting also thanked all electorates who had supported the Congress party in the recent by-elections in Mauplang, Mawryngkneng and Rajabala constituencies in the state. The meeting further resolved to prepare in war footing for the upcoming assembly elections in Meghalaya so that the state is mandated to be governed by a strong, focused and corruption-free government post-2023.